This is a puppet service announcement brought to you by
the Forest Folk Medicine Show. I am a Pacific Fisher, and I have some things to say. A fight that once we thought was won continues to this day. The board from Mount Ashland Ski Resort sees a profit to be made in cutting down the old-growth trees in Ashland's watershed. Yes, good folks, you heard me, and what I say is true. This valley is in danger, and it's up to me and you to see this does not happen, for our water is at stake. This could turn our city's reservoir into a muddy lake. It could choke our creeks with mudslides. It could fill our streams with silt. It could spoil the verdant valley in which all our dreams are built. We will not let this happen, for we are wide awake. It is up to us, through the words we speak and the actions which we take. So take up pen and paper, or send a quick email to let the Forest Service know that wisdom must prevail, that we do not need more ski slopes, that we must keep our waters clean, that we must protect our old growth and the life which dwells within. For the sake of all our children, for the sake of me and you, for the sake of all the life on earth, it's what we have to do. Thank you, friends, for listening and for doing what you can. Remember that all together is how the forest stands.
Help protect our watershed.
Join us August 30th at 6 p.m. at the City Council Hall in Ashland, Oregon, to help protect our water. Thank you.